Right, I've decided to do a good news Instagram story every day, and today's good news story is, because of the weather that we're having, not too hot and not too cold in Dubai, the basil plants, which were literally just a couple of plants bought from the supermarket, I think possibly Waitrose in Al Manara, are doing very, very, very well. So get making some basil pesto or anything else you can think of. The mint is also doing quite well over there. So that's your good news story for today. Much hotter in Dubai now. We've moved our big pot of mint and basil into the shade, so it is still producing some mint and basil that's very, very usable in our cooking, but definitely needs to be moved into the shade. We've cut a bit of the curry leaf that was very overgrown at the top back down, and this is sort of still producing nice, usable curry leaves that we can use in our South Indian sort of tempering. And the geraniums, again, we've moved what we can in the shade, but it is getting hot now.